Okay, I'm still working on the shawl, and I wanted to show you how I'm doing the edge here. This is a side that I just ended up on, working our stitches, and then I ended up doing 3 double crochet right into the base of a stitch here, and I continued up this side that's on the triangle side, and I'm adding just a little scalloped edge, and it's going to be in black. And I wanted to wait till I got to a spot where I could show you, you could actually see it. Because black on black is a little bit hard for you to see. So I've just done 3, just say, I got to count here, 2 double crochet. I'm going to do 1 more right in here. And I'm going to show you. So then the next spot, right at the base of where you started, either started or ended the crochet row when we worked across, where you had your either a chain stitch plus your 2 double crochet, or this here we ended with a 3 double crochet. Right in this base stitch right here, we're going to do now a single crochet, and then we're going to do 3 double crochet right in there. And when we do our single crochet in that next stitch, that'll help bring it down and make it look like a fan, kind of like a little shell stitch. So then we'll do here's our 3rd double crochet. And so then we're going to just look for that base of the next stitch. So we had our double crochets. So here would have been the chain stitch. You can see the base stitch right here because you can see the other longer stitches here. So right here is where we're going to work. We're going to do that single crochet and then 3 double crochet. And we're going to do this all the way around. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do down by the triangle side. We're just going to do it on the edges of the triangle side, but then the top part that would where we had just finished, and then I'm going to work my single crochet. So it would go right here. Can you start to pick that out? The top edge I'm not going to do any scallop on, but like I said, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do down at that V point for the triangle part of the shawl. I'm just going to do this last one here, and I'm going to show you. And then we have our, I got to look because sometimes the stitches look a little bit short. So we go right in here with our single crochet, and then we would continue on. So it's just double crochets and single crochet. But I wanted to make sure, see here, look at the little scalloped edge on there, isn't that looking nice? And then that black against the gray. Because remember, this was a variegated yarn, so we had, it goes to a lighter gray, and this is the lightest gray at the tip. Let me find the tip. I still got my starting yarn tail, like I have to weave in. So we're gonna work on the edge. See, this is where we started, and then we work across in rows. So right now we're coming down this edge. See, like I'd put a stitch here, I'd do my cluster stitches here, then here, and I'm probably going to do extra ones down here. And then when I go up the other side, my stitch will be here, and here is my stitches, and I'll put them here. So I think that's going to look real pretty, and it's a very simple shawl, very nice for a beginner to work on. And if you've ever been afraid to work with thread-like yarn, this is a really simple project to do. All right, I hope that helps you understand the pattern. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.